So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came in on a very important internship drive from the Nestle. You know, Nestle is a good company, and they have announced the important hiring, or you can say internship related to this, and name is Nestle Internship Update, Upgrade and Upskills. You will get lots of learning opportunity and all those here. So I will talk in complete detail what is about this and who can apply and what are the benefits and perks you will be getting from this. So if you are 2027 pass out, then also you can apply. So this is your internship rule. So what is NIST internship? Imagine being a part of global success story, working with iconic brand and world-class product. So this internship program offer 1 month immersive learning experience where you can navigate real world projects with direction and supervision of experienced leader. So you will basically work on various projects and you will learn a lots of skill related to AI, ML and other important skills you will get. So what are the features of this program? Duration for this internship just 1 month, but you will learn, so you will gain hands-on exposure to impact real-world project under the guidance of experienced industry mentor. Besides that, you will get certificate of experience from Nestle and Amazon voucher worth rupees 5,000. So a chance for securing the golden ticket. What is golden ticket? So golden ticket is your chance to building career with Nestle. Means if you will do internship, then there is strong chance of conversion to PPO. And this is a FMCG company, so you know this is a great role. Okay, so if you want to know more about that, then you can just check the apply link in the description. Talking a little bit more things that you will get exposure to working at world largest F&B company. Head start on career before graduations. So before graduation you will get a strong things and also your resume will be boosted and you will learn from experienced candidate. So I will suggest you should apply for this important, because if you will add this certification, then it will basically give you edge to other company. So available stream and requirement. So they are hiring for the role of supply chain, manufacturing engineering, and corporate function. So if you are from the engineering background, then also you can apply. So on what track you will work? You will basically work on cross-functional project in quality, sustainability, engineering, and production. Gain valuable factory experience, and you should be from BE, BTech, or masters in similar discipline. Now talking about the supply chain. So for supply chain, what are the requirement? You should be from the MBA background. Okay, so they are hiring for the multiple, and they are providing internship for multiple drive. Okay, and next important opportunity, that is, I can say next important functionality, that is they are for the role of undergraduate, postgraduate in marketing or HR. So all can apply. And what are the steps for this? First of all, you have to log in and sign up. Then you have to give the online assessment, and this will be a gamified assessment which will consist 72 hours of some, means within 72 hours you have to submit this assessment, and then further your onboarding will be there. So basis on the assessment, successful candidate will be onboarded for the April internship, April 2026. So इसमें भाई कोई interview वगैरह नहीं होगा, just you have to give the online assessment and complete the within 22 hours and you can just apply. So for applying, just you have to click here register or apply now, and where a new window will appear. Now you have to just provide the basic details. Okay, so about your name, college and educations and all those stuff you have to apply. So here you can say enter C factor, and आप वही यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट करके सब कुछ रजिस्टर वगैरह कर देना है. ओके, when you will click on next, then login, sign up. So if you are new candidate, just click on sign up. And hi candidates, thank you for interest in National Internship Program. If you require, then click here next. Okay, and just आपको सब कुछ पॉइंट पढ़ के next करना, and I have read and I have consent, and let's begin. Just you have to give full name, email, passport, gender, country, city, and you can just apply for this. So this is a wonderful opportunity. I will suggest don't miss this. And for getting such important opportunity or important videos, you can subscribe us. We already provide lots of video related to internship, full-time role. So you can subscribe us because you will get lots of things from our channel. We have also already completed coding series NQT. So मिलते हैं next video में, and all the best for your future journey. Thank you.